Nagendra, saying there is no proof against him.
There is a proof. I think more than 20 cases have been filed against him. CBI charge sheet is there. He was arrested. If there is a no proof, why Siddaramaiah government has expelled him? This government has to answer for this. First, why they expel him, then for what reason they have included in this cabinet. I think this may be give a lot of scope for some other things. For what purpose he has been inducted? If there is no charges against him, why they have expelled him? Government has to answer for this. So, government should not encourage corruption. There is a proof. On the floor of the House, the then Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah ji, told it is not 185 crore, there is a 95 crore misappropriation has happened. In the floor of his, he told. Now this government is saying there is no proof. I think the person, very senior minister, Parmeshwar ji, he has come out with a clean sheet for him. It is very unfortunate.
So will the BJP's this protest remain intact because the CBI has asked for the prosecution of B. Nagendra with the Raj Bhavan, the governor?
The law will take its own course. We are not supposed to speak about the Honorable Governor's house. Law will take its own course. The justice should be done. So, ST community is a backward community in Karnataka. For their welfare, the fund was there. For their community, fund was there. It has been used for Telangana election. Some of the brandy shop has been issued, some of the kirani shop has been issued, some of the contractors have been issued. There is a clear proof. The different accounts. So, government, if it is clear, this government is not supporting corruption, they have to take a resignation of Mr. Nagendra ji. We don't have any personal revenge against Nagendra. This is a question of morality. This is a question of democracy. That's all.
If not, sir.
If not, party will take a decision. Our senior leader, the leaders are there, both the leaders of opposition and the party president and some of the senior officers, senior politicians in the state will discuss and take the...
The party is already protesting throughout the state, sir.
Yeah.
Will it continue?
Today assembly is going to be closed for up to Monday. Monday we will sit together and we will take a decision.
CBI has asked for the prosecution of B. Nagendra, sir. Do you think prosecution permission has to be given?
It's up to the governor.
Sir, there was a meeting of chief ministers, council meeting of chief ministers in
Chennai.
The Chief Minister of Karnataka has sought, as per reports, that he has restricted, saying that 543 seats should be remain for the delimitation.
I don't know any idea.